today, I just have a little Jeffree star package. I was kind of surprised when it came in a purple box, but I guess I'm not really. Just traditionally his stuff comes in a pink box. If you've bought his stuff, you know that. But so yeah, I bought some stuff on the launch day, last Friday, and it literally came today. So I feel like at this point, I'm like the last one to get it. It's fine. Bear with me with this nasal situation. I have got a cold of some sort, where my throat, nose hurts, whatever. I literally think I've been sick every day this year. It's fine. So anyways, we're going to jump into the box and kind of just see firsthand what mine looks like. And I got a couple of other things that were not from the launch that I have been wanting. Or no, one other thing. Sorry, I'm opening the box with my tweezers. Okay. I think I've got all the tape through. Purple tissue paper. Oh, I'm throwing stuff out. I don't think I've gotten this in any of my other boxes. However, nah, I don't think one came in the Valentine's box. Maybe it did. I don't remember. Anyways, what we got? So, I was kind of on the fence about this guy here. But I really wanted to try the two shades. This is crazy. The two shades that are the new formula. I really wanted to try them, so I went ahead and did it. Now, I've seen so many complaints on malfunctions of the packaging, but it looks like my emblem is all there. My clasp is straight. So, let's open it up and hope that it's intact. Now, this is a film. So many people were complaining about this. They didn't realize that this was plastic. Come on, guys. Like, you can clearly see that there's plastic on it. So now we have a pretty mirror. You just got a really good glimpse into what's around me. And okay. And the plastic is off. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. Did you guys see the shine in that black or that purple executioner? Like, holy smokes. And then these are the two new formulas. Oh, I just want to push my finger into it and play with it. But of course, I know that that would destroy it, so we're not going to do that. Ooh. That was the wet jewel. Again. So much glitter. Holy smokes. This Sworn Enemy looks really good too. I wasn't sure. Okay, so I don't know, my finger's not focusing on that. Anyways, I am excited to use this. I really wasn't sure when he launched the palette, like when he launched the review, or the reveal, sorry, when he launched the reveal, I was on the fence, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, like this red throws me off, and this green I can deal with the, like this one not being a purple, because I love a transition, and I like to be able to just use one palette. I don't like to have to pull from different palettes, but the red really throws me all off, but it's fine. There was a lot of talk that it didn't have very good payout. I mean, with that finger swatch, it did fine. Whether it will do that with a brush, that's a whole nother thing. So that is, I'm actually gonna put my plastic back in here. That is the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I think my next video I will probably do a try on with me, and I'll probably do, no, I will, not a probably, I will do a look with this. I just want to keep trying to keep so hard to keep my videos at or under 20 minutes, because, well, those long ones take forever to download. So next video, look with this. Stay tuned for that. Now, the other things that I got were, I did get a gloss. I don't normally use gloss, but then I got his gloss out of the succulent gloss out of the Valentine's package, and I really enjoyed it. So I went ahead and grabbed another gloss. Okay, I can't apparently get it open. I went ahead and grabbed another gloss though, because I'm really enjoying the pink one that I got, so I figured one with a little bit more purple would be kind of nice too. And I can't get it out of the package. I really want the Shane Dawson Glosson, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. His glosses smell so good. My lips were feeling a little parched. Again, this one was the Iridescent Throne. I didn't want one with color, so I went with the lightest one I think that I could find. This is more my speed. Generally, I'm gonna put my gloss over a nude anyways. So, then the next thing that I got was just a Velour liquid lip, and I got it in, so I really love Posh Spice, but I've been wanting to try Family Jewels, because the model that has this online is it's such a pretty color. It's a nude. What are you gonna do? So that pretty much sums up my Jeffree Star purchase. Just a few things. Again, I really just wanted the new formulas to those two eyeshadows. And then of course I have been wanting this, so it just made sense. I was making a purchase, just do it all up together. So yeah, if you want to see the try on, stay tuned, it's coming. I still have the drag look that I'm wanting to do. It's just been crazy lately. I started the keto diet Monday with my mom and a girl from work. So hopefully, I apparently am in ketosis. We'll see. We'll see. I think so far I've lost 2 pounds. Can you tell? Probably not. But this is what it is. I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna try to run it through. So hopefully you guys will be seeing progress as I make these videos. I don't know if I'm gonna really document my weight loss journey. It's too soon to tell, but it is what it is. And yeah, so make sure that you stay tuned. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.